Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Give me the best of the band. What? Give me the best of the band. What? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the big at it again. And today is Nail Popping Mondays. Today we are going to be doing some cute, simple, quick press-on nails, okay, at home from scratch, okay. So starting off, I will be using the B-Tart coffin shape press-on nails. I will leave my nail, everything I use for my nails. I have a Amazon store, so you guys go shop and use that. Everything that I'm using today will be in there except the nail polishes, okay. So I've already prepped and primed my nails beforehand, so right now I'm just, you know, choosing which nails fit perfectly on my nails so that I can glue them. Now the glue I'm using, I did buy it was like 20 in a pack. I bought it at my nail supply store a long time ago. So yeah, it's the B-Tart box false nails. The box did come to me broken, but the nails are bomb, so I didn't even care. But yeah, so these nail polishes are from the Mother's Day collection from Madam Glam. They were so kind enough to send your girl these polishes, plus they sent me a gel polish remover. I already have their top coat. So the first one is Because I Said So. The green one is Mother Nature, and the purple one is Hear Me Roar. I did choose these colors myself. I thought these were cute colors because I don't have colors like these in my collection, so I was like, hey, what the heck. So yes, yeah, so basically I really like these. Oh, and guys, when I buy my nail files, I buy them in bulk because those run out, and I like to use the 100/180. So with these, all you really need is your nail polishes, your glue. Here's some cuticle oil I ordered on Amazon. Again, you need glue, you need a nail filer, a cuticle pusher, and that's basically it. Like, it's super easy to do press-on nails at home. Like, you just put some glue on your nail, make sure that you file and do all that other stuff. I didn't show that part, but it's pretty simple. You know, I'll leave some videos for you guys to watch, but definitely check out my other nail popping videos, nail popping Monday videos, excuse me. I have so many more of me doing my acrylic nails and other stuff like that. I think this is my first time doing like press on nails myself. Like, usually I'll buy some, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just putting on this glue, and this glue is really good. Like, I got it from the nail supply store. This glue is really good. That's one thing I could say. Like, my nails be on, honey, on. So yeah, so I usually use these nails as tips, but they are actually press-on nails, which is good, and they are already shaped, so all you really don't have to do much to them, you know. But I do like to use these as tips because I like my nails super long, like longer than this. But these were super easy to do. I would say this took me like less than 20 minutes. Well, it took me like less than 20 minutes to put them on, but polishing them, you know, you got to take your time and be neat with it, and then you got to put it in to cure it and stuff because this is gel polish. So I love gel polish. Like, I really don't like to use nail lacquers or anything that's not a gel polish. Like, it has to be gel polish, period. So yeah, you just want to put the glue onto your nail and press hard so that the nail can attach to the glue and to your nail. So these polishes from Madam Glam are super cute, guys. Definitely use my code, which will be down in the description box down below. okay, and so you can save some money on, okay. But yeah, personally, Madam Glam has pop-in nail polishes, and I think they're high quality, and I just love their polishes. So I'm repeating the same thing on the other hand, okay, which went super easy. Okay guys, so here I am painting my nails. I decided to do like all three polishes, because I really didn't know what I wanted to use. So I just decided to use all three nail polishes just to see how it would look. And guys, listen, when I tell you these nail polishes are so opaque, meaning they are so thick and like they come on smooth, but what I mean is like you really don't need that many coats to see like how beautiful and thick and opaque the nail polish is. Like it's not see-through or sheer or anything. Like these polishes are popping. So yeah, like I said, I decided to use all of the polishes so that I can have some nice colorful nails. These nails kind of remind me of Mardi Gras or like festivities, like something nice and, you know, bright, and just it reminded me of like a festival. So I decided to do like 2 nails green, 2 nails pink, and 1 nail purple. As you guys can see, this green is gorgeous. Like I am gonna put this on my toes because I so love this green. And the purple is just gorgeous as well. I believe that's Hear Me Roar. And guys, off camera I did go ahead and add some nice crystals. You guys don't really get to see that because I did it off camera, but I just added a few diamonds or crystals that I got from Amazon that will also be on my link on my Amazon store. But yeah, I did add those to each nail, or to each, like every other nail. So I did it to 3 nails on each finger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Okay, this was simple, something you can easily, quickly do. Like I said, nails within 20 minutes. It depends how quick you move, but for me, I think this took about 25 minutes, and it was pretty simple. Like pretty simple. Cure your nails, each hand for a minute, and boom, you're out the door. Okay, like these were super cute. To me, they don't look like press-ons, but then again, I don't know what you guys see. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other Nail Popping Monday videos. That link will be down below to all my Nail Popping Monday playlists. And yeah, y'all, until next time, go check out Madam Glam. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamming. Bye.